Hi there, it's me, Laura. Yes, I'm sitting on the floor because I can't quite figure out how to get a good angle to show you one of the favorite grandma, grandkid things in the kitchen. It is this stool helper right here. That's right. So we have grandkids in this house that are 3 and 1. And so they need a little extra help to get to the counter, to be able to help grandma, to be able to play Play-Doh up here, to be able to eat snacks, keep them confined while I'm in the kitchen helping out. This is perfect. Let me show you. Super sturdy, sturdy. It's just rocking here on the floor, not gonna tip over. They have the step that they can step up. They step in. It is open here in the back, but it has the back rail on there. So both of them, it but it guides their back to know that they can't step off. Now, the 1-year-old has not figured out how to get out of this yet, so I have to lift him up. But we are in training right now, trying to teach him to go down. It's just a little scary to do so when you can't see going backwards. But this has been a lifesaver in this house for these kids to be able to help. I love that. I love it better than a regular step stool because there's no worries. There's something to hold on to, and they're not gonna directly fall off since the back there's a guardrail. So if you have little ones, whether they are your little ones or your grand little ones, this would be something I would definitely use to help out. It is fantastic.